If you ever think you can go anywhere in music without learning the circle of fourth or the circle of fifth, well, think again. You cannot go anywhere. And I'm going to prove that to you in a moment. Without the circle of fourth, you cannot move between chords smoother, because one chord leads to another, or one key leads to another. And if you actually master the circle of fourth, you'll understand music better and how to move. That's what the pros do, whether it's when you're playing gospel, jazz, even classical music. They move from C to F, from F to B flat, or from D to G to A to D minor. But you have to also know how to move through them properly. In this video, that's what I'm going to do, is to teach you that. But before that, I would like to thank you, for all of you, for all those subscribership. You know, in a month and a half, you guys, I'm almost at 800, almost 900 subscribers. And I thank you. And also, if you're watching this video, you find value in this video, please let me know by liking it or by leaving me a comment. You know, whichever topic I am doing, I want you to actually leave me something in the comment about the topic, or that you get it or you want more of it, because I do read all my comments and reply to you. Now let's go straight to the video, show you the importance of circle of fourth, and I'm hoping that you find value in this video. Please subscribe. Circle of fourth. All right, so very simple. We're in the key of C. To go from C to F, that's circle of fourth. Yeah, but how do you move from C to F? You're gonna use some transition chords, some passing chords. From D to D, from A to D, this is using circle of fourth. As a matter of fact, from F7 to B flat, from B flat to E flat, from E flat to A flat. This is a major 9. This is circle of fourth. But there are ways you can do that. What we're going to do, we're going to use 5 minus 7. 5 to the 13 before you go to F. So what circle of fourth is when you move all the way 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. Also 1, 2, 3, 4. But before you go to F, we're not gonna play like this. We're gonna do see? So what we do is from C, we do a G minor 7, and we go to F. You can go back even to the C7. Then here, I'm going to do second of fourth. So this is 7, 3, 6. All I'm doing is just second of fourth. The same way I do 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at this. 7. So I go from C all the way to 7. 3. What is 3? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1, 7, 3. Okay, I use that. Do it again. And to go to, this is me coming from 7, go to 3, and then 6. And then for me to go to 2, remember I am in 6, I'm going to do 7 also. See, I do this. I'm going to do it again. Okay, this is G minor right here. This is G minor inverted with a tritone here, which is B, M, E, and B flat. You get it? I just do something nice here. Do it again. Do. All right, circle of fourth is you moving up a fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you could learn that like this. So this is, see, for me to move to 2, I do 2. What I'm doing is moving from C to G. I do 2, 1, 2, 5, 1. And if I want to move to B flat, I do 2, 5. If I want to move to E flat, I do. If I want to move, let's say, to G flat, I do. Practice the 2, 5. See, I'm moving up fourth, but I use the 2, 5 1 to get there. This is very common in jazz. Okay, so you need to learn how to use that. So let's see if I want to go to A flat, do. I want to go to D flat. This is with the melody, okay? So this is using circle of fourth. You can use that in your playing, all right? This is extremely important because as you're moving as a musician, you definitely need to learn how to move from one chord to the next, but not just using it like probably like this. You could do a minute. I hope that is useful, and I hope that you use that in your playing.